successfully we gone live. Because of that celebration, we want to cut the cake. Thank you for coming. So we expect some feedback from your end, how our team is coordinated for you, so that it is help us to improve for the next project or next customer. Please.
Thank you, Zyple and SAP Business One for implemented, I think just on time, April 1st is New Year. We were not sure that we'll be able to do, but in last 1 week, we're quite happy with the performance. So we tried last 4-5 years, we are trying different ERPs, we are not successful. Our team was still patient. We should appreciate our team because that because once 4-5 years you're doing the same job, telling the same work, same thing. And after 2.5 years, we reject that ERP. We go to the second ERP, and so our team also like is happening. They're not confident. Like down the line, they work till night 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, still not able to implement. It's very frustrating. But I think third time lucky.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So finally,
We are lucky, sir.
So finally, we hope we can use this software in long run, and it will help our business to grow.
Yes, sir.
That's the purpose of going with SAP with the help of Zyple.
Yes.
So we need a lot of cooperation from your side, and I want to thank my all teammates for spending day and night for making this possible. It's actually my role is very small in this. So actually these people have done a lot of work and patiently, and I congratulate all of them. And thanks even Zyple team for spending, especially Kiran. He has been, he has left. I think the people in the house. People will think, okay, who are you? They may ask the question because they are not seeing this face for so many months. And thank you so much for spending so many months with us, with LPG shortage, this everything. He was with us. A lot of people were doubtful to stay here, not with, but he was with us. So thank you very much, Zyple.
Thank you. Sir, any few words from your end, our team cooperation, and how it will be few words?
Yes, thank you for Team Zyple for making this successful one. Thank you, Mukund sir, for giving us the opportunity to work in this. And thank you my team, Shashi, Hitesh and Harish. In fact, I started getting pressure from his family also. They are making him to stay longer. But they have worked. It has given the results now.
Really appreciate it.
And, I thank you, Kiran also. He was just like a family member. He was our member only. Everyone supported us. Mukund sir also supported.
Right.
Yes, and the users from dispense section here and in Inwood also. So everybody, and particularly the users, scanning team, they did a good job. Hope they will continue. And I expect good support from Team Zyple also. Madhu sir, Mr. Mohan sir, Sini sir as well. And Kiran definitely will be with us for next couple of months. So till we stabilize. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Come. Come. Let's do together. Yeah. Come. Yeah.